So we're going to look at problems solved by linear equations on page 65. And there's some really great rules that are written here, so let's read them together. Let the unknown quantity be x or any other letter, and state the units where appropriate. Let the given statement be in the form of an equation. Solve the equation for x and give the answer in words. Do not finish by writing x equals 3. So for example, if you're doing a question where you have to work out something in centimeters, then you would say the length is, or the width is 3 centimeters, and not just x equals 3. Check your solution using the problem and not the equation. So the reason it says that is because your equation may be wrong from the first time you made it. So let's do a real problem together. It's a real problem that can be solved using linear equations. So we'll do the example on page 65. It says the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 78. Find the numbers. Okay, so the first thing is, what does the word consecutive mean? Consecutive numbers are numbers that come after each other. So 1, 2, 3 are consecutive numbers. 33, 34, 35 are consecutive numbers. Any numbers, whole numbers with no decimals, that are counted in counting order are consecutive whole numbers. So the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 78. Find the numbers. So if we let x equal the first number, then we know that x plus 1 will be the second number, plus x plus 2 will be the third number, and when they're all added together, the sum is 78. So now we have an expression, an equation. We don't really need the brackets because we're not multiplying anything in this case. So we can say x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 78. Let's group the like terms. So we have 3x, x plus x plus x, plus 3 is equal to 78. Now this 3 wants to go and visit its friend, becomes a negative 3. 3x is equal to 78 minus 3, which is 75. 75 divided by 3, because we divide both sides by 3 to get x on its own, gives us x equal to 25. Let's do another. Oh, and we shouldn't express the answer as x equals 25. We need to go back to the question, and we need to say the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 78. Find the numbers. So we know that x was our first number. So the numbers are 25. They're consecutive whole numbers, so 26 is x plus 1, and 27 is x plus 2. So there are the numbers. So when you have worded problems, you want to have worded answers. Let's do one more example. So this is example 2. on page 66. The length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. If the perimeter is 36 centimeters, find the width. So, this is the width, and this is the length. We know that the length is 3 times the width, so we're going to let the width equal x, and the length is going to be 3x. The perimeter is 36 centimeters. And we're trying to find the width, so we're looking for x. The perimeter is going to be 2 of the length and 2 of the width. So it's 2 times 3x plus 2x is equal to 36. 2 by 3 is 6x plus 2x equals 36. 6 plus 2 is 8x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 divided by 8. And that's going to be 4.5. So x, you can also do that on a calculator, is equal to 4.5. But then I need to say in words the width is 4.5 centimeters. So now you can do some of the worded problems in exercise 16.